now looking at the scale of AI Impact Summit, it is something that's accelerating growth of India as a whole. You focusing on skills. There's a high impetus on private sectors to create jobs. How do you look at job debate and the great emphasis on skilling? What is your take on this?
You see now the most important thing what is required, what we when we analyze the market, it is the skilling which is the most important thing that is required. Now qualifications and degrees are not fetching you jobs. So right kind of skill is a key word. For that when we discuss with our you see, whatever is said and done, the unemployment is the biggest problem we are facing in the country. And for that to tackle, when we had a discussion with our employers as industries, what they're telling is jobs are there, but we don't have the right kind of skill. So that is a big challenge. There is a what do you call a skill gap. They are not industry ready. So our educational institutions are not producing industry ready graduates or whatever skill. So
Very
that is
well
a big
explained.
challenge.
Very well explained, Minister. That's a huge challenge that the country is grappling with. Would you like to highlight some of the policies that you are taking ahead and working on to in terms of curbing that challenge?
You see, for that, we have already now announced the skill policy for Karnataka, and we have a 5-year roadmap what we should do for that. And apart from that, what we have been suggesting, we are working closely with our IT minister and higher education. We need to restructure our curriculum, but that is where, and we need to change the methodology of the teaching in the institutions. That will be the most basic thing, because now the kind of education we are giving to our youngsters, it is purely theoretical. They don't have hands-on skills. They don't have the right kind of skills. So what we need to do is we need to restructure the curriculum and the methodology of teaching. And apart from that, we need to also set up a vast infrastructure to give them the futuristic skills, because the skill landscape is changing every 6 months and faster than that. So we need to reskill them, we need to upskill them, we need to keep them abreast of what is latest happening in the market. For that, we need the support of the industries. So what we are trying to say is that industry should closely work with the institutions, and they should suggest what should be incorporated for the graduates who are coming out, so that they can take them overboard immediately. So that's required. So for that, we are trying to partner with the various industry partners, institutions. We are having trying to have a tripartite agreement with that, and we are trying to skill our people. What for the future skill what is required in next 5 years, and especially AI. With the advent of AI, is going to take over the most of the system now. So we need to make them that AI, how we can use this AI tool, so that it will not replace their jobs, so that it assists them in doing things more efficiently and quicker way and in a more effective way.
Just the final set of our conversation, Minister, because you've panned out your explanation really well. My point from you is when you look at the buzz of startups, entrepreneurship, it's a great zeal that we are seeing all across India, not just the state of Karnataka, but all across India. How do you evaluate this? And in the next 5 years, how do you see it pan out? Because there's the impetus for job creation, then contribution to GDP. How do you look at the startup economy buzz right now?
You see, for that, you see, Bangalore and Karnataka is actually a startup hub, and we have the maximum number of startups in Karnataka. So to use the innovation and to use this in a public application, we are bringing out a policy government first, so that government should adopt that if it is usable in e-governance, in administration, in whatever way, in whichever field. So we are bringing a policy that government first, so they can approach the government, and government will use that as a pilot for the application, so that it is like when government accepts it, it will be more public.